want to go for a ride in the Focus RS, point of view while driving, this is the video for you. Hang out with the neighborhood squad, hit the canyon, run into some supercars. Today's a very fun day and I'm excited to take you along with me. All the way from getting ready to making coffee and going and driving and listening to a bunch of different exhaust notes from a bunch of different cars, including the Focus RS. Let's get into it. Getting ready for the day. First time taking the RS to the canyons. Editor Justin's taking the STI. My cousins Parker and Justin are going, and our neighbor Mike. It's gonna be a fun day. Just cleaned out my shoes. Curious what you guys rock. I got my clean bands. I got the black and white Nicer 3s. I got these dad mode for the gym and running or anything. And then I got my anything car related, because anytime I do something car related, I ruin shoes. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna walk you through how to make the coffee that I drink every single day. So I'm trying to get into drinking black coffee, but it's a little bit of a process, so I'll show you where I'm at, because it started out with some of the tan stuff and all where we're getting there. You go to like Smart and Final, you can get some cups and some lids, like an actual coffee shop. A little bit of ice, but no small chips. Starbucks cold brew, unsweet. I'll actually leave Amazon links in the description for this stuff. This is my favorite brand of cream. I need 2% milk. And then it gets kind of fancy. A bottle of vanilla from Smart and Final, or a bottle of vanilla syrup. You can actually ask them, hey, can I buy a bottle of vanilla syrup? And depending on the location and how much they have in stock, they'll let you. Or you know someone that works at Starbucks and they'll hook it up. 2, which is equivalent to like 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And you're gonna take your 1 tablespoon of measuring, and then one of these fancy milk frothers. Milk, 1 tablespoon. 2 of this. Whip it all up. Just until it's pretty thick. Some days are better than others. Then, where it gets satisfying, pour it on top. There your lid on. About 200 milligrams of caffeine. This will zap ya. Go work on the STI in the garage, because editor Justin is driving it today, so that'll be fun. But this is me every morning. Hit the sun. Ooh, feels good. Oh my gosh. So what's so good about this, trying to get in coffee, is like it's sweet on top, so it's like you got a safety net that you can pull from whenever you need to. But if you want to send it and hit straight to some of that black cold brew, you can, to, you know, be a man. Give it like a week, boys, I'm telling you. Then you'll be addicted, and then you'll start to warm up to the idea of coffee. And then when someone offers you a cup of joe, you'll be like, you know, I got this. It's gonna suck. Don't have my cold foam on top, but we're making progress. That's all that matters. Hopefully I have time to wipe that down. My freaking lift cracked again right here, and it's just sad it's leaking, so I left it up in the air so that the fluid is lower, so that I can come and put some epoxy on that. Let's give the STI some love, because Conrad, who used to help me with fulfillment for Karma speed orders that don't ship out of my house anymore, came over and he's been helping me make this car look good again, so that we can do STI RS videos, because it had dried adhesive all over it and it looked terrible. Well, dang, she's looking better. She needs some love, and I'm here to give her some right now. So first thing I want to do is put these roof rails on, because Connor got all that glue out of there. And then I am looking for a 2018 up bumper, so I was like, I'm just gonna leave it looking like this. No grill or anything, but I think Justin deserves better, you know, so I'm gonna try and pull that off. Get the grill inserts in that I have on the ground over here and make her look half decent, but I'm pretty sure I threw away the fog bezel covers, because that's how committed I was to the idea of getting a 2018 bumper. And I just gotta clean this whole place. So that's my project for today. Go have fun, go drive, make her look a little bit better, and film this video. Other than that, just kick it. So thanks for rocking with me today. Let's get to work. Gotta get the vibes right. These things right here always scare me, so hopefully I can put this in right. Said he took it out way back when, so yeah, I don't even know how this works. He's like move. Maybe he said he knew something I didn't. Said he's about to have a baby, so shout out to him. Go give him some love on Instagram if you want. Oh yeah. I think we're good. I think I did. I think I got it. This thing just needs so much love, it's not even funny. Let me get the broomstick out. Sure. Going out to the canyons, couple things that I check. Now that the bumper's how I want it to be just for this trip, I want to check tire pressure and then torque on the lug nuts so everyone's safe. Time for a Subaru thing. Make sure she's Gucci. Oh yeah, boys, got that Motul 300V in here. She's ready to rip. E85 cold skirt. Eventually. It used to start good on E85, but it's all out of whack now. So it takes her a while to come to life. Poor girl. Editor Justin, you made it. How you feeling?
I did. We're a little tired, but ready to rip.
Hey, you deserve every bit of seat time. Alright, yeah, I definitely threw away the fog bezels, so more motivation to get the 2018 bumper, because this thing is peppered. I gotta get the RS warmed up. I'm late. This car calls for 46 PSI. You're riding on pieces of concrete. These sockets to protect your wheels is so cool. Yeah. Neighbor Mike and his bug.
You need gas?
No. You?
Yeah.
What's up, neighbor Mike?
What up?
I got a little bit better of a GoPro mount. This looks sick or what? I used to have the mouth guard, that sucks. This is impairs your driving just a little bit. Park dog. There's a power line that's broke, so they have an above ground one. If you can push yourself wherever you're at to get some homies together and go drive, you're like, I don't need to go. If you just go, you'll be reminded why you're into cars. Because I do that all the time. And I come out here and drive and I'm like, oh, this is why I do all this. This is why I wrench. This is the fun part. I must say though, the STI feels wicked fast after driving this thing for a while in stock form. I'm excited for Justin. He deserves all the seat time in the world because he's always editing the videos that you guys watch, and I appreciate him. And I just don't have to worry about Justin. I trust him with anything. That's the best. Link, are you gonna get car sick?
No. I do this every time we go.
You do this every time? Oh my gosh. I need to get a GoPro on him as you're hitting corners. He's all playing. Uh-oh. Parker's getting the dad talk right now. Driving the STI, but I honestly like looking at it more, so it's just fun with Justin driving it so I can just look at it. These are the days when both you and I wish that the RS was loud, but I have confirmation that AWE is welding up a switch path for this, so that will be a good video and that will be more fun. On the other hand, I am excited to see how this car handles stock, talk to you about it, tell you what I find out, and see what this all-wheel drive system feels like compared to the STI, which I am very familiar with. Yeah, it should be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's really pretty out here right now though. Perfect day. It's fun looking at the cars. Thank you, thank you. Some people just don't get the hint to pull over. Like, look behind you. Hello. boat. These brakes are so touchy. It's hard to like be smooth with it. Ah, there's rocks. Ugh, I gotta back off a little bit. Parker has mud flaps too, and there's still rocks. Feels good. Oh, that feels nice. Yep. Oh, what do you got, Parker, on this bump? Oh, oh, oh. Doink. I am not used to this car at all. Ugh, ugh. Feels nice pulling out with that all-wheel drive. That's really fun. I just keep stabbing the brakes and I don't want to do that, but they're just so sensitive. Super fun. Rocks are huge. Justin's having fun up there. I love seeing that car on the road. This thing needs some power. Oh, this thing handles amazing. This is crazy. This is a stock car. I really need to come out here when there's no one here and push it and really figure out where's the understeer, if there is any, because I have felt zero. You've never driven here?
No.
Really?
The Ferrari was holding me up.
Dude, there's a lot of water. Holy cow. I've never seen this. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's not that bad. Here, I'll go get the RX. Some sort of rally going on. Like the car!
Yeah, it's like the sickest car here, right there.
Oh, look at this thing. This is where it's at right here. Dude, there's a lot of them. Holy cow. There's just a few of them. I thought it was just like 3.
Holy cow.
Brother, I know you're recording my guy, but dude, what's up, bro? I'm Chidarius, bro. Yeah, I've been years ago, and I had a bunch of them, and I was like, bro.
What do we got here? What do we got here?
Yeah, dude, I got
What's your
this.
YouTube channel?
Alright, so right now it's immersive filmmaking.
What are you doing hanging out with these guys?
I do some of their videos, but right now I'm just tagging with him in the SEO, just getting videos for my film.
Hey, flex on him real quick, Mike.
What's up?
How much horsepower does that thing have?
10, I don't know.
Can't go wrong with R8, but sorry, Bruh. I don't think it gets any cleaner when you have it all color matched. That's insane. With whatever body kit this is, or bumper.
This guy over here, he's got a normal shoe on one foot, and then he's got a driving shoe on the other, on his right foot.
This thing's got some crazy wheels on it. Well, this thing is clean too. Oh my goodness. Dude, holy, this thing is gnar, but this sounds so sick. They got that money, right? No sales tax in Montana, if you didn't know. So everyone opens up LLCs over there. This thing is sweet too. Oh man, they're probably having so much fun. Oh, carbon. Sheesh. That's 720 though.
So good.
Look at that thing, so sick. That's just Need for Speed level.
Really? Forza.
Yeah. Oh, the wheels on this thing are sweet. Thoughts?
I like the satin on it.
Yeah. Sad boy stock exhaust.
Is your car broken?
Something's wrong. It says the alternator's putting out like 18 volts.
Like too much?
Yeah, gauges are all freaking whacked out.
Uh-oh. Are you gonna disconnect the battery and reconnect it or something?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna try to do.
Pretty sure Justin's car is good. His alternator just acting weird, but it's alright now. Squad's back, we're good to go. Don't think there's anyone close, so we should be able to get some speed. Holy bikers. Oh, I gotta follow farther. I have never been here when it's this busy. I've seen it busy, but this is like at least 3 times. It's kind of fun because we get to see all those cars, but not fun for speed, but actually probably makes a better YouTube video. Sounds nice. I love it. Aww. 85, she runs spicy. And we're back. Heavy turn in. Oh, it pulls great. Let's go, Justin. I know he likes when I'm riding his tail. Don't let him pull you. Hard corner, hard corner, hard corner. Be careful, be careful. That's the sketchiest one here. This car is awesome. It is just doing everything I ask it to do. I love it. Woohoo! That is a blast. Don't you guys wish this car was loud? Because I do. I do like listening to the STI. My oil temp is good. My coolant temp is good. All is good. Parker's back there having fun. I don't know where Justin's taking us. What's up?
I don't know, front end just made a huge clunk. I just want to make sure everything's good.
Okay, are you good?
Yeah. The freaking fender liner is just getting melted. Like we went around that one corner where he slowed down, it was that bank. And it's just
Like a brother.
Good?
LOL. Chipotle, here we come. My neighbor has a Lambo. I'm sure I'll become friends with him one day. Today was a blast getting all my camera equipment. Excited to look at the footage. In this video right here, we make Parker's ST a little bit louder, maybe a lot louder at my house. I'll leave that to you to go see exactly what we did. Have a good time doing it. And if you just like ST and RS focused content, you're gonna like this video. So I hope to see you over there and continue to tag along with Parker and I's shenanigans.